Nilipat lang dito.
I think there's a snack bar too over there. You want to stay here then? Do we want, but they have, you want to go look at what the other beach looks like? Where? On the other side, and then what, they bring the cooler or something?
Okay.
Let's go in the water. Let's go in the water over there.
Sige po.
Is this still say recording?
Yeah.
This thing might be over soon.
Oh.
That's part of the adventure, babe.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ah.
I know.
Say hi. Oh.
Not time for a cigarette, huh? Oh, hey, like he's smoking too.
Para hindi ka mahirapan, paatras ang gawin mo. Oo nga eh. Basta nakarating kayong bata, makakarating din kami. Dami na tumarating dyan pa kapag di ka nakahiram ng reservoir yun.
This drops down to the other side? Yes, sir.
Kakalat. Oh. Sorry tayo.
Pa lang, pangkama ka lang.
Say hi.
Very nice.
Oh. Ito, last na po to. Wow. Oh.
Ah!
Wow. Oh, we made it. Kaya pa, kaya?
Ha?
Kaya pa po ba?
I'm gonna die!
Oh, there it goes. We're waiting for that. I'm gonna die.
Holy shit, this is the top? Thanks.
Oh man, it's hot up
Oh
here.
my god, yeah.
Hey, adventures of El Bobbers, huh?
Ini? Ano ba ako? Makakayot na kayo din tayo. Ay, nawa.
Ini akakit mo yan. Oh.
Patay, ano?
Pwede na pagsabihan mo ako galbing. Mga kaming high drop.
Pila niyang step?
103 step. Pakyat.
200 step?
Oh, 103 step. Pakyat. Wow.
100?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Pinaka. Ay, sobra. Pinakaayos.
Kalayo-layo.
Oh, Rene Diyos kami, minumlanda, no? Oh, grabe, wow, santing, oh, sky blue ka nga kakit.
Wala nang ibang drink.
Rayuma, kuya!
Ayoko, itim ako eh.
May karayuma na rin kaya bibig mo to. Oh, oh, grabe siya to. Santing. Kuya! Oh, pagsabi may pa. May nga kain na ako, may nga pekat. Ay, oh, yan na ng baga kalinguan.
Why don't you guys go ahead? She's where you going?
Ano ba na may dadaanan na yun?
Oh, nakaya to kayo matagal. Matagal ako. Ako, pawis na pawis din, oh. Woo!
Ngayon, pababa. Ay.
Dito?
You want to go ahead?
Oh, man.
God, now I'm gonna do it again, huh? Thanks to these hats.
That's still recording? Yeah?
Mm.
That was your mom you were talking to?
Hmm?
She called you or you called her to tell her?
She called us.
Oh.
Oh. Mm. Ooh.
Look how pretty the water is.
Yeah. But God, this is a
Yeah.
steeper one.
She don't like hiking.
I mean, it's not bad now because
Nice.
we're going down. But when we climb up later, it's gonna be a hard one. Oh man, that is soaking wet. They said 20 minutes only. Maybe we shouldn't have gone
20 minutes what? Stay here
to
for?
stay here to go to another island.
I didn't take it.
Although
But he was
had-
got to fix the boat, so. Because he wasn't going to make it to another island.
Nako, napakataas na climb na naman ito. Oh my
Dito na
God.
siguro tayo dadaan.
Pwede ba?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, if I can avoid climbing, I will. Oh my God.
Sumpong na po yung araw.
It connects to this other island right here, which is really shallow water right here.
Oh, that's the house, huh?
Right. There's a nice beach right there.
Well, you can go to the house. Go ahead. I'll stay here.
Me
You wanna go
too.
down to the...
I'll stay here. Go. Ika, munta ka. Sige.
Well, I when you get back there, I don't know where you're from.
Yeah, I don't know either.
You stay here.
Yeah, go ahead and look.
Yeah.
Hey, hey. Well, how is it?
Ska, bala mag-date kayo, excuse. Bala mag-date kayo, ha?